There you go, looks pretty good. Still drying. I'll come back down and take some more video of the whole finished basement, or the whole finished gym. About 20 minutes. Not too bad. All right, we are looking at the finished product. This is what the final paint of the gym looks like. Accent wall over here. The other three walls are painted this light gray. This is kind of a charcoal gray. It's been a couple of days later now. Everything's had a chance to dry off. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Looks really nice in here. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I have a new video out every week. Pretty soon this room that I'm standing in right now will actually be completely done, and it'll be the first finished room in the basement. Thanks for watching the video. See you the next time.